don't play too much with your steering. You see, you don't have to lock to lock. Way less than that.
Woo.
Brake. So instead of moving your steering, you just it's like that. Okay, you don't go lock to lock.
Okay.
It's a go. So grow up your speed. It starts sliding, so you can go a little bit more throttle. That's good. A little bit more. That's good. Don't play more than that with your steering wheel. That's perfect. That's good. Give it a little bit more throttle if you want. Don't play too much with the steering. It's all about the too much. You see?
Yeah. Then it goes back.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah.
Perfect. Another circle, and we gotta go back.
Okay, great.
That's good.
Try to get some more angle. Oh.
Perfect. So release, and we gotta go up there. That's good.
Oh, thank you.
Now back on it. Alright, let's try this one again. You ready? So bring it to the right a little, and now turn into the left and lift off the throttle. There you go. Back on throttle now to settle it. Just a little bit.
Sick.
There you go. And now wait for it, and now back on it, and now off of it. Now back on it. Good. More pitch. Good. And now swing it. There you go. Patience. Now back on a little power. Turn your head to the left. There you go. See how turning your head changes everything?
Oh my gosh, big time. Woo.
That's all right. Lift off and turn. Yeah, so we're just gonna have some understeer.
Oh,
here.
this corner keeps getting me.
It gets everybody. You can see all the debris out here.
I'm used to feathering. I'm used to just like feathering, but I need to stab more.
You have to stab it. Because again, feathering loads the car one way or the other.
Yeah.
Feathering on or off just changes the load.
Yeah.
We're not looking to change the load. We're looking to literally keep the car pitched one way and then just engage the drivetrain.
Yeah.
Why don't we back off them for a minute?
Yeah. Just
Right?
that's one way to do it.
Park right. I mean, if you meant to park it, that would have been amazing. Okay. Now look to the left. Now lift. Now back on some throttle. So notice we got into that apex very early on the initial side, and then it just wants to push wide. We want to go to the late apex. So see these two markers?
Yep.
We want to get to the second one.
Okay.
We never want to get to the first one.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Same thing here. We don't want to get to the first ones. We want to get to the other ones. Back on throttle. Good. Too much. Yep.
Oh, Jesus.
All right, let's see if we can get out of this.
Oh, yeah.
You say that with confidence. Let's throw the wipers on here.
Yeah, good call.
All right. Perfect. So, it's just a
One
matter
more
of
corner.
time.
One more corner.
Yeah, go for it.
All right.
Lift. And now back on it. Good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, darn.
You were getting it though.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. So you give it a whack more throttle when you add the steering, and it gives you this really big angle that's a little hard to get out of.
Mhm.
If you can convince yourself not to do that, you almost got it.
Okay, okay.
That's it. Right there. No more. Right there. Right there. Right there. Stay with it. Stay with it. Stay with it. Flick to the right. Just a little flick. Little flick. Now flick back. Little flick to the right. Try not to accelerate too much. Flick back. All right.
Oh!
You are still giving it big
Yeah.
stabs of throttle as
Yeah.
you flick your hands. You do have to pull off, unfortunately,
Okay.
and let our teammate go for their run.
Okay. Still feels like it's lagging. I've got my foot down a bit. Is traction control off? Feels a little better, although maybe I'm just stabbing the gas more. It's still like kind of not, it's not fully off, but I mean, it's still fun. It's still letting me get sideways, obviously.
Yeah, you're still doing a good job.
Oh yeah, thanks. Yeah, here it's like, ooh. Okay, there we go.
I'll let you know in a second. It's 15 minutes, so if you look at your clock, you should be very close to go. Timing's an expert, so that was everybody.
Slower entries down a little bit.
Okay.
Alright, so we'll head it in anyway, but
Okay, cool. Oh, too early.
Yeah, just a little too early. It's alright.
Sorry, please repeat.
We're in slow and fast out.
Okay, sorry,
There we go. Slower here.
anybody back at the paddock, you have the radio closed.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Gather it up again with this. Stay wide. Stay wide still. Stay wide. Turn it down. Throttle. Off throttle. Just get off it.
Yeah.
There we go.
There we go.
Just so slick out there.
Yeah. the window a little bit.
There you go.
Oh, they're always a little. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay.
Always a bit temperamental.
Yeah. Probably because it's like, I don't want water in here.
Yeah, basically. So this time when you turn in, just hold the same angle so you can turn in and throttle. There you go. There we go. See how it initiates a little bit better?
Yeah, yeah.
Perfect. Stay wide, slow it up a little bit. Turn it down. And turn it.
All right.
It's a little too much entry speed there.
Okay, bumping now.
Oh, not yet, not yet. Still bumpy, still bumpy.
Go on.
Another lap?